Hello friends, it's Amir Ramal from Settle Aabroad. Today I would like to share the success story of Gurleen Kaur, who had got her visa in University of New South Wales in the Juris Doctor course. As the name suggests, the university comes into the group of 8 university. It's a very prestigious university and it's a very difficult job to get admission into this university, and even getting cleared the GTE of this university is also a very tough job. But the team of Settle Abroad has done this successfully, and now Gurleen is traveling to Australia for the Juris Doctor course in University of New South Wales in the September intake. So now we'll share Gurleen experience, how her experience was with Settle Abroad, and how was the team, what about the professionalism of the company, and what about her whole experience with Settle Abroad. There you go, Gurleen.
Thank you. So it was great experience for me, as I searched for a lot of agents in the Amritsar, but I was not satisfied with anyone. So one of my relatives suggested about the Amritsar, and when I visited the office, he really gave me so many good options. And University of New South Wales, which is one of the prestigious university. And even after my qualification or after graduation of my law, I was not getting many options. So he suggested me the course of Juris Doctor, which will be going to be a great helpful for me. So it was a great option for me. So it was a quite difficult journey, but he helped me a lot, and his team members also helped me a lot throughout the journey. He always gave me the valuable advice, and the best thing which I like about their team is that they always give response to the queries as soon as possible, and always motivates the students in a better way. And the company, in their form is very transparent, as they always share all the things with the students. They don't hide the things. So there was a complete transparency in the whole process, and it was a great pleasure for me to work with them. And I got my visa finally, which was quite stressful job. And even it was quite difficult to get visa in such a good university, but all thanks to the Abhay sir and his team.
So tell me, how was your GT process? Did you had a contact with university representative as well? How does your financials go? Like, my audience wants to know, how is it to getting admission into group of 8 university, how the process go, how the financials got checked, how choosing a right consultant is important. So if you could share, that would be really great.
It was quite hectic, as GT was quite difficult. I directly came in contact with the representative of the university with the help of sir, and they also assist me in the throughout process, and they checked my financial document twice, and even they asked for the further assessment also. It was quite difficult subject, but as all the things was very accurate and up to the mark, and even they also inquired from my about my work experience from the employers where I work. So it was quite difficult, but it was possible just because of the sir. But it was quite hectic schedule, but long process.
Anyone who wants to take admission into group of 8 university, your financials should be up to mark. Your academic profile should be up to mark. You could be ready for any type of interview from university representative. If you want to apply into any group of 8 universities, so do contact us. We have all the direct hire for group of 8 universities. So if you want to get the visa of Australia like Gurleen's, do contact us on the numbers below. We will be more than happy to help you.